I'm Kay of Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have one more floral design I'd like to share with you for spring. Now when I decide to make a floral arrangement, I usually find one flower that I really like, and in this case I have these pink orchids. And what I do is find a vase that I think would be appropriate, and I just stick them in there. So this is what you see now. They're just stuck in there. I have these orchids, I have some white flowers, and then I have these lilies, and I kind of get a feel of how they would look together. And I've decided that this would make a pretty decent arrangement because they all work together really nice. So I'm going to take them out, and now we're going to make a formal arrangement. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take all of the florals out of the vase, and we're going to check it out, make sure there aren't any fingerprints and smudges. And I have my spray away glass cleaner. Give it a quick spritz. Take a paper towel and just wipe it down real quick just to make sure. And don't forget, this is Spring Floral Week here at Kay's Creative Home, and I'll be bringing you a new floral design every day this week. I hope you enjoy it. And two of the days, yesterday, which was Monday, and Wednesday, I participated in collaborations and challenges with my designs. So don't forget to check out those playlists. So first thing I'm doing is putting a piece of foam at the top of the vase and trying to size it up for what I need. I'm going to actually be trying to put it all the way down to the bottom. So I flipped the vase to kind of figure out what size of the foam I need. I'm going to cut a small piece here. Flip the vase back over and then grab some moss, wrap that piece of foam in the moss, and then insert it into the bottom of the vase. And that's just to hide the foam. So I'm just adding a little bit more moss on the top to cover up the foam, and then we're going to start adding our flowers. I'm starting with the pink orchids because I'm doing the taller centerpieces first. And usually they tell you to design in threes, but I have 4 pink orchids, so I decided to just go ahead and use the 4th one and try it out, see how it works out. So I'm going to position them at like east, north, south, and west, or like you would do around the clock, 3, 6, 9, and 12. If I can get them to stand up. So if you're enjoying Spring Floral Week here at Kay's Creative Home, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it with others. Doing something that simple would really help my channel to grow. So with that done, next I'm going to add these white flowers, and they are Gladiolas. So I'm going to be, looks like I had some tags left on there. So I'm going to be snipping those tags off and adding them right in, and I'm putting one in between each of the pink orchids. If you're not already a member of the family, please consider becoming one by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell so you'll be notified as I release new videos. So I have 2 bunches of lilies next. I'm taking them one by one, and I'm putting the entire bunch on one side of the arrangement, and I'm going to put the other bunch on the other side, the opposite side. And once it's in, then I'm spreading it out so that it looks like it's, you know, covering that entire area. You can see what I did there. And of course, I'll go back and straighten up some of the taller ones in the center. And now on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. Just spread them out so that they kind of go all the way around this arrangement. So with that done, the lilies are in place. I'm now going back to my center flowers because I've kind of pushed some of those out of the way and or pushed them around a bit. And I'm trying to straighten them back up and kind of get them back at the way I had them in the beginning. So straighten them up so that they're tall and not leaning. Oh yeah, by the way, I believe all of these flowers are from a silk floral shop that's here in my area. And I'm pretty sure I've used all of these before in another arrangement. These silk flowers, if you take care of them, they last for a while. And so this is it. This is my orchid, gladiola, and lily arrangement. I hope you like it. Yeah, I'm going to be pushing things around. I mean, even if I have things out in my decor, every time I walk past, I'm kind of arranging something. But I hope you like this arrangement. I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.